What if your next business venture didn't just drive profit, it made a real impact? SpongeJet is an American multinational industrial technology manufacturer seeking driven entrepreneurial business partners who are currently running or looking for opportunities to run their own business. We operate through independent distributors in North America and in over 70 countries, offering high-performance maintenance technology, robotics, and automation to help companies with asset management, utilized and specified by some of the largest national and international corporations in the world, including work in industries such as oil and gas, energy, mining, marine, industrial decontamination, pipelines, historical preservation, and much more. Trained at our global headquarters and technology center, your company will receive continuous field technical and marketing support from day one. This is an opportunity to work in markets with dollar values and GDP output measured in the billions. Take the next step and complete the Become a Distributor form on our website.